Hello, guys. Good day to all of you. Uh, Without further ado, let me get uh, today's topic. Uh, you probably already know what I'm going to talk today. I'm going to bring you information. Uh, Final Destination, uh, new film. Final Destination Bloodline is 2025 American supernatural horror film directed by Shaq Lipowski and Adam Stein, from a screenplay by Guy Basic and Laurie Evans Taylor, based on a story by John Basic and Evan Taylor. It is the sixth installment in the Final Destination film series. The film stars Santa Juana as a college student who inherits visions of uh, a previous premonition that averted a deadly structural failure in 1968 from her dying grandmother and his word that death is coming for her family. Theo Brands, Richard Harmon, Owen Patrick, uh, Anna Lore, Blake Bessinger, and Tony Todd appear a supporting role. A Final Destination Bloodline was released in the United States by Warner Bros. Pictures on May 16, 2025. The film received uh, generally positive reviews from uh, critics and has grossed $233.6 million worldwide, mm, becoming the best review and highest grossing installment uh, in the franchise, and the ninth highest grossing film of 2025. If you haven't seen this movie yet, watch this movie uh, set right now. It is a great movie set. Mm, then I am stopping this video, uh, having the hope of giving more information about this in the later. Subscribe to channel to know more information like this. See you in the next video. I will back later. Bye bye.